we had created a paper prototype of our financial drawing system mobile application. Upon entering the application, the logo will be shown and it will ask for your username and password in order to log in. But you click the text at the bottom to create an account if you hadn't had one. And it will proceed to the sign up page where it will ask for email, username, and password and sign up. Then go back to the front page to enter your information. After logging in, you will proceed to the home page where there are three buttons for daily sales, sales compilation, and summary revenue. There's also this I button for information. This will show the user the purpose of each button and information about the app. Then you can go back at the home page. Now, you can proceed at the daily sales where you are going to click the drop down for selecting the day-to-day and input the sales you got. Then press enter to record the data. Go back to home page and go to sales compilation. There are two buttons in there. If you want to review the sales for the week or to view the compiled weekly sales data of the month you chose on the drop down button. Now going to back to the home page, go to the summary revenue. You can now view a report of the whole income and expenses. And that's it. Thank you for watching.